So here we are going to see the addressing modes in 8085. So next chapter, actually it is based on the instruction set of 8085. There we are going to study the all instructions of assembly level language. So in case of the microprocessor, an instruction is not recognized by the microprocessor, but it understand only the binary code. Means your microprocessor, it never recognize the instruction, but it understand the binary code. Assembly level instruction is indirectly converted into the binary code, and that is known as the machine code. Means a instruction whichever you are giving to the microprocessor, it get converted into binary code, and that code is known as the machine code. So these instructions, they may be of 1 byte, 2 byte or 3 byte in length. So in case of the first byte, so this is the first byte, it shows that the operation type to be performed, and second and third, this is, it shows that the operation type to be performed, and second and third byte instructions indicates that operand or address of the operand. Means this shows the operand and this shows the address of the operand. So depend on this, there are the number of instructions and which are classified according to their addressing the data types. Okay, so we'll see the addressing data type. So first it is the direct addressing. Means they are actually, this addressing mode is are classified into 5 different types. So first it is the direct addressing, second it is the register addressing, third it is the register indirect addressing, register indirect addressing, and the fourth one, it is immediate addressing. It is immediate addressing, and the last one, it is implicit addressing. So these are the 5 different addressing modes that we are going to see in case of the instruction. So first we'll see the direct addressing. Now in case of the direct addressing, this addressing mode, the address of the operand is specified within the instruction itself. So in case of this addressing mode, the address of the operand is specified within the instruction. So here we don't require another register to load the data, or we don't require another any other address to load your data. For example, we can say LDA. So this is one kind of instruction. Here we have 062CH. This is the address location. So whatever the data is stored in this address location, means your 0626, it will directly load to the accumulator. So the instructions coming under this direct addressing modes, these are of 3 byte instruction. Most of the instruction of this addressing modes, these are the 3 byte addressing, because the data contains in this memory location will directly load to the accumulator. It never requires the another register. Now second, it is the register addressing. So as the name suggests, register, so it requires the register, and in this mode the register name is specified in the instruction, and address is not required in this addressing mode. So the register to register or to the accumulator to register, means when we want to transfer the data So data will transfer from a register to another register, or your data will transfer from register to accumulator. Here we don't require the address. So such a kind of transferring of data is done with the help of register addressing mode. For example, move A comma B means this is also a register. Accumulator, it is also a register, means the data will transfer from the register B to the accumulator. So this is called as a register addressing mode, and most of the instruction from this register addressing mode are of the 1 byte, that is the single byte. Okay, now we'll see the register in direct addressing mode. Register in direct. Now in case of this, register indirect instructions are always 1 byte instructions, and this register pair is specified by the 16-bit address of memory location. 16-bit address of memory location. Okay, so in case of this instruction, here register pair is specified for different kinds of addressing memory location. For example, suppose you have move A comma M. So here M stands for memory location. M म्हणजे काय आहे, तो मेमरी लोकेशन आहे. म्हणजे ह्या मेमरी लोकेशनला सपोज आय हॅव गिवन मूव A comma 2070H. So the data which is stored at the memory location 2070 will transfer to the accumulator A. Means suppose we have the different kinds of memory location. आपल्याकडे वेगवेगळ्या मेमरी लोकेशन्स असतात. काही मेमरी लोकेशन्स आपण कन्सिडर करू की 2010 पासून स्टार्ट झाल्यात. 2010, 2030, 40, 50, 60, 70 म्हणजे हे मेमरी लोकेशन असणार आहे 2070. आणि ह्या मेमरी लोकेशनला सपोज 17H हा डेटा स्टोर्ड असेल, तर काय होणार आहे की 2070ला जो डेटा स्टोर्ड आहे तो कुठे लोड होणार, इट विल लोड इन टू द accumulator. म्हणजेच तुमचं आफ्टर एक्झिक्युशन ऑफ दिस इन्स्ट्रक्शन accumulator having the data 17H, that is 17H, and this is called as a register indirect. कारण डायरेक्टली तो डेटा accumulatorमध्ये जात नाही आहे, तर तो अगोदर एका मेमरी लोकेशनला स्टोर्ड आहे आणि मग त्या मेमरी लोकेशनमधनं म्हणजे आपण मेमरी लोकेशनला तो सर्च करतो आणि तिथून सर्च करून तो डेटा कुठे जातो आहे तर accumulatorला. So it is called as a register indirect addressing mode. And next we are going to see, it is the immediate addressing. Number 4, it is immediate addressing. Now when data means your data, or we can say the operand, is directly transferred to the register. Data, it is directly transferred to the register. Okay, so it is known as the immediate addressing mode, and these instructions are of 1 or 2 byte instructions. Okay, means data म्हणजे काय की सपोज 17H आहे, हा डेटा डायरेक्टली आपण बी रजिस्टरला स्टोअर करतोय. म्हणजे तो डेटा डायरेक्ट कुठेही न जाता, कुठल्याही मेमरी लोकेशनला न जाता तो डायरेक्ट कुठे स्टोअर होतोय तर रजिस्टरला. जर अशा प्रकारच्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स असतील तर त्या इमिजिएट ॲड्रेसिंग मोड्सच्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स असतात आणि ह्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स 1 किंवा 2 बाईटच्या असतील. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सपोज आय हॅव टेकन MVI देन B. 55H. So here this is the data. 55 काय आहे डेटा आणि बी काय आहे हा रजिस्टर आहे. म्हणजे तुमचा डेटा 55H डेटा हा डायरेक्टली कुठे स्टोअर होणार आहे रजिस्टर बीला. म्हणजे आफ्टर एक्झिक्युशन यू विल गेट द रजिस्टर बी हॅविंग द डेटा 55H. So this is called as a immediate addressing mode. And the last one addressing mode, it is nothing but the implicit addressing mode. What is that? Implicit addressing mode. In case of the implicit addressing mode, all instructions are 1 byte instructions and many instructions of this group are logical group instruction. सगळ्याच ज्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत त्या सगळ्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन ह्या लॉजिकल ग्रुपमध्ये येतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी हॅव द CMA, दॅट इज CMA कॉम्प्लिमेंट द कंटेंट्स ऑफ ॲक्युमुलेटर. ह्या ज्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स मी आता प्रत्येकाला एक्झाम्पल म्हणून देते त्या सगळ्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपल्याला नेक्स्ट लेसनमध्ये बघायच्या आहेत. तर असे हे 5 ॲड्रेसिंग मोड्स आहेत. कुठले कुठले? फर्स्ट इट इज द डायरेक्ट, रजिस्टर ॲड्रेसिंग, रजिस्टर इनडायरेक्ट, देन यू हॅव immediate and the implicit addressing mode. So this is the last topic of your this lesson, introduction to 8085 microprocessor and the organization. So हे इथपर्यंत आपल्याला हा लेसन आपला कंप्लीट झालेला आहे आणि याच्यानंतर असणारे इन्स्ट्रक्शन सेट तो आपण लगेच स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. बट बिफोर दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक वन टेस्ट ऑन दिस लेसन. So be prepared for that test and try to learn all the questions given by me of this lesson. Okay, so we are going to take one test assignment for this lesson. Okay, then if you have doubt you can ask me in the college, and if you have any kind of query there you can ask me. Okay.